Hey guys, today I'm going to show you exactly my tips and tricks that make my blue ribbon Italian cream cake the best and easiest ever. Let's bake easier. Let's start with 340 degrees. Lower temperature bake cake more evenly and create lower domes. Leave butter and cream cheese out for defrosting later. Prepare 3 cake pans with cooking spray, a piece of parchment paper and flour to have that easy release later. You can chop the pecan the traditional way or faster and easier with the rough side of a meat tenderizer. Now, the first thing that makes this recipe special is the ease of making with my hassle-free one bowl method. Step 1. Add sugar. Soften butter, which you can prepare by 2 ways, and add eggs, baking powder, baking soda, salt, beat on medium speed for about 1.5 minutes. Step 2. Add the rest of ingredients, which includes sour cream. Now, many recipes use buttermilk, but I find sour cream adds more value to moistness, tenderness, and tanginess overall. Plus, we call this a cream cake, so it makes more sense to have some kind of cream in the cake, right? Italian cream cake is inherently a dense cake because of the added shredded coconut and pecan. So we definitely don't want to add on top of that an overdeveloped gluten network. So once the flour is in, beat on medium speed for a total of 30 to 45 seconds with some scrapings for a uniform batter. Finally, mix in shredded coconut and pecan. Definitely no mixer here. Note that I'm using shredded coconut, not coconut flakes. They are 2 different things. Coconut flakes make the cake too texturally dense and chewy unless that's what you want. A scale is helpful to get all the layers baked evenly. A few taps to pop large bubbles. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. Rotate the pan midway through if your oven doesn't bake evenly. Now, while the cake is baking, this extra step is optional, but it's a must if you want a blue ribbon caliber cake. It adds an extra layer of strong nutty flavor and crunches of toasted pecan and coconut. It's like adding ice cream on top of the frosting. How amazing that is! These cheap store-brand coconut flakes are best for toasting as they drier and the flakes stay separated. Medium heat, let them cook until start to brown, then stir infrequently until brown. It takes just about a few minutes. Heat up some white coconut flakes for that beautiful contrasting color. Now a fully baked cake should have the center popped up and toothpick test should come out clean. Let them cool in the pans until warm enough to touch. Look at that perfect release! Nothing sticks to the pan. Now it's easier to trim off the cake domes when still warm. This tool is excellent. Perfect crumbs! Now another thing that makes this cake earn its award is the absolutely delicious sweet and tangy cream cheese frosting. The process is so simple that I won't waste your time here. You can easily follow the written recipe, but we basically beat everything together until smooth and creamy, which takes just about 2 to 3 minutes. Just make sure strapping the bowl a few times during creaming for a perfectly smooth frosting. Now to frost the cake, first apply a little bit of frosting in the bottom to anchor the cake in place. Frost in between the layer and the outside of the cake. This is all about practice, practice, practice. Simple way to decorate the side of the cake instead of smoothing it with a scraper. For your convenience, everything I use in any recipe is listed in the description with an Amazon link. Now, the easiest way to pass the toppings on the side is spread them out on your tight fingers, then quickly make a decisive turn to stick them to the cake. It's actually pretty easy. You can coach partly just like this or the entire cake. Look at our beautiful cake! A perfect Italian cream cake worthy of a blue ribbon. Alright friends, check them out. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to help out my small channel. Thanks so much and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye.